We're here reviewing a laptop stand. From the company LINTYLE, I'll show you how nicely it's packaged inside the box as we open up and unpack. It's made of aluminum. Got rubber pads on each side with lips to hold your laptops with openings for cooling. Grab the bottom, lift up, nice and tight and easy to assemble. Put it on the table and adjust the angle you desire. On the bottom, they have 4 rubber pads as well for non-slip. For laptops up to 17 inches, place them on a table or workbench and more. When adjusting, please remove from the stand, lift up for the height you need, and adjust the angle and place back on. Be careful not to put too far back as the laptop will tilt over, as you can adjust it to your angle and height and do your work at a work table and more. At its tallest level, you can place your tablets on for display. For ergonomic typing for a little height of your keyboard. This is your tablet and keyboard stand. Enjoy your laptop display stand. Hang it on the wall anywhere imaginable. Enjoy your stand if this is right for you. Thank you for viewing.